Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today we have a Glossybox. It's the April box, so let's check it out. Glossybox is a monthly beauty box. It is based out of the UK, and for some reason, because of that, the lotions and potions that they put in here tend to agree with my face more than some of the ones that we get in our regular boxes here. So I subscribed to this for years, but it is now sent to me free for review, but you will always get my honest opinion. And as a rule, I really enjoy this box month over month. I will put the link down below in case you have any interest. I'll put my codes with all of the information, but let's dig in here and see what we've got. All right, when we open it up, this is what it looks like on the inside. We don't have any paperwork. We had paperwork last month, so I had forgotten that sometimes they don't send it to us, but we can muddle through. When we open it up, that is what it looks like on the inside. We could see these right on top. I thought it was maybe going to be a satin bag, but it's satin scrunchies from Kitsch, which, just for the record, and this is the world in which I live, I thought that Kitsch was a brand that only came in subscription boxes, and then I was in Ulta, I think Ulta the other day, and I noticed they had the brand, and I was like, how have I missed this? So this is the Kitsch one. There are three. They are peach. They go very nicely with the box. I'm sure that's not why they chose these. It probably is. They have a lot of good stretch on them. I enjoy the satin ones because when I'm just around the house, if I'm like not taping in, I pull my hair up when I cook because if I had a hair knot, I'd probably wear that. But instead, I wear these. And because my hair breaks so easily, I do enjoy the satin one. So I am happy to have these. And they're called satin sleep scrunchies. These don't stay in my hair. My hair is so fine and thin and slick that they just come out while I sleep, but I use them for other things. Reaching in next, we have a Sulwhasoo First Care Activating Serum Advanced. That is what that looks like. This is 8 ml, 0.27 fluid ounces. The back says it's an essential anti-aging booster facial serum that got advanced to 5th generation features upgraded Jayum activator that brings out youth potential of your skin for a healthy and natural glow. I think there might have been a little lost in interpretation there, but we get the point. Used to be a serum, now it's better. And it has licorice root extract in it, so I will pass it along. If you are new to the channel, I am allergic to licorice root. So that is what it looks like. I love when they're little minis of their original big ones. I mean, that's just so cute. Is it, let's see, is it a pump? It is. It's even a little pump. That is adorable. If I can find prices on these, I will let you know prices here so you will know relative to the cost of the box. Next out, we have Neolastin. We've had this brand before. I mean, I don't know in this box, but I've tried the brand and liked it. Revitalize and Firm Eye Cream. And this is 0.3 ounces. And that is what it looks like. We'll go ahead and put some of this on the back of my hand, but then I'm gonna set it aside because like I said, I'm using the City Beauty right now. I'm trying all of that because before I talk about it again with you guys, I wanna give it all a really good try. That's what it looks like. Can't smell it in the pot. Let's see if we can smell it once I put it on my hand. Nope, virtually scent free. And it's just, it absorbed right in. I mean, it's going to absorb. It feels very, very nice. Of course, I have no idea what the ingredients are in this, but we'll assume it's fine. I guess I could say, in case somebody here is new to the channel, I can't do licorice root or grapefruit because I am allergic, and I choose not to do retinols or many of the other vitamin A products. I think that covers it. Next out, we have the Stress Check Sleep Lotion from This Works. This is, it looks to be a full-size product too. I love this. I'll tell you right now, before we even open it, if you don't love lavender, this is not going to be the product for you because they always smell so much of lavender because that's what makes them calming. I have the sleep spray and I love all of the This Works stress sleep products. This says comforting body lotion with lavender and chamomile to support a good night's sleep. It is cruelty-free, vegan, paraben, phthalate, and sulfate-free. It was just literally, I just checked this in my brain. I was literally going to say, here, let me show you what it smells like. That is what it looks like. Go ahead and take a sniff while I'm there. It's nice, right? Oh yeah, lavender. It really, really has a lavender scent. I love it. And I can't even be like, oh, but it's a subtle lavender scent, so you might like it even if you don't like lavender. No, lavender. So pretty though. I love, oh, my hand. I'm gonna do this in this video and then I'm gonna try and do it less, okay? My hands are so soft because I've been using the body cream from the City Beauty and it is amazing. Okay, enough. But can you guys tell? Can you tell how good a shape my hand is in? I don't know if that's something that comes across in a video or not. I suspect this, and I'll let you know here, I suspect this probably comes close, if not all of the way, to covering the cost of the box. And the cost of the box, if she didn't tell you already, is $21. I will put my link below, which will take you over to Glossybox and should put the discount right in your cart, but usually, because they do sometimes change it month over month, usually it's $5 off your first box. Next out, we have Lashfood Conditioning Collagen Lash Primer. I will absolutely try that. I have little stubby lashes, and I'm telling you, I don't know if it comes across, but I use the Thrive. I wonder if you can use a primer with a tubing mascara. I'll let you know, because the Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extensions, which is what I swear by, is a tubing mascara. So we will see if we can use this with that. It says for longer, healthier, restored looking lashes. And it's just kind of a, better? It's just kind of a plastic nubbly, doesn't that smell like honey almost, I think. It doesn't tell me what the ingredients are, but this smells like honey to me. It is made in the USA though. And last out, we have, what do we have? Cruelty-free, vegan, that's a good start. Gel liner in truffle. I can't tell what the brand is. Look guys, when I start flipping it around, oh, there it is. It's just in the, it's Laritzy. I was gonna say, there's nothing that says what the brand is. It's Laritzy and it's some sort of gel liner. We'll see if it's for our eyes or for our lips. Uh-oh, when I took it apart, that happened. So it came out of its little, see, it's like nothing ever happened. Does it twist up? No, it's a sharpening thing. I don't think that's gonna work well when I try and sharpen it and it's loose. I might have to take it out, sharpen down the pencil. It could be a whole thing. That is what it looks like. Let's see how smooth it is. It's actually not quite as creamy as you would think. It's a great fine line, and it went on the back of my hand fine, but it wasn't like, you know, the ones that are like, ooh, see when I barely touched, can you even see the line that I did? It's a little more firm than I generally like my eyeliners to be, because I have older eyelids, and if you don't have them yet, what you don't realize is they're gonna get a little less taut. That seems nicer than, right? They'll be a little less taut as you get older. So the more you have to drag, it's unbecoming. I like the ones that go on very, very creamy. The color is very nice. I like that it's brown and not black for a change. So I bet a lot of people will love this. The color again is truffle, if I did not say that. So with any luck, I have let you know the prices that are in the box, and I'm letting you know here the total price of the box. But in it, we received the Kitsch Satin Sleep Scrunchies, the Stress Check from This Works Lavender Body. It's lovely. From Lashfood, we received the primer, and I will definitely be trying that. We have the Neolastin Revitalize and Firm Eye Cream, the Sulwhasoo Serum, I'm probably saying that incredibly wrong, and the Laritzy Eyeliner. So this is the April box. Let me know what you guys think. I love the lotion. The lotion makes it all worthwhile for me. The eye cream felt spectacular. I will absolutely use the satin scrunchies. It's a really nice box, and I bet it has its value in it too. So thank you so much for coming by. I will put all the information on this below. If you have any interest, if you have any questions, just let me know. I will see you again really soon, I hope. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. We will be doing spoilers soon for FabFitFun. Take care out there, guys. Bye.